Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the TikTok repost button that is not showing on your TikTok app. So, if you want to repost someone's TikTok video but then the repost button is not showing up, this is how you can fix this. First, you can just launch the TikTok apps. Sorry, and then after this you can just go to your profiles in here and click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings and privacy. Here you can click on the privacy and you need to make sure that you are or your privacy is public, so you don't have any private you don't set your TikTok as a private account, so you need to disable this if it's enabled previously. And after that, you need to know that the repost is not for everyone, so there might be someone who turn off their repost, so everyone cannot repost their video. And here, if you want to fix it, you can try to also check if there's any update available on the Play Store in here. Maybe your TikTok is outdated, so you can find TikTok on the Play Store in here and see if there is any update available. But as you guys can see, my TikTok is already up to date, so that's not the case. And you can also try to go to the app info of TikTok or app settings on your device. You can just long press on the TikTok apps in here and then click on this info icon, and then you can go to the storage and cache. So and on Android you can just clear the cache, but if you are on iOS you can try to offload the app first, because these steps might be solve your problem, and by clearing the cache it will fix some glitch up on certain apps. And you can also try to uninstall the TikTok app first and then reinstall it again, so that your TikTok is on the newest or the latest version. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial on how you can fix TikTok repost button not showing can solve your problem. So don't forget to click like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.